So I took my welding skid off the truck, about to get ready to go do a job, and I won't need it right now. And that's one reason, honestly, why it's very important to have one, because you can actually utilize your truck to do other things when you're not needing it. I want to give you a small walk around of it since I took it off, give you more detail of the prototype, and this is the prototype, by the way. The base model and deluxe and gold package is built a little different. Just want to give you a walk around of it. And like I say, man, it's a very good asset to have, especially when you're being mobile and trying to kill a few birds with one stone. You stay safe, organized, and you can pick it up with a small crane, forklift, or you can have wheels on it. I'm actually going to have this next one designed where you can put wheels on it. This one got the forklift on, you got the crane, pretty much everything you need. The braces are good, and I put enough space in between here so that way the bottle can drop down some and then hit the brace too, so that way it makes it a lot more secure, like it's in there, you know what I mean? So, and this was actually a trial, which my new one, I actually got a reel where I can pull mine in and out. So this was actually just something that I had, and I just utilized it. So say, all right, I'm just gonna utilize what I got at the moment, but I actually got a reel coming. That way I can just pull it in and out and be done with it. And I'm actually gonna upgrade this reel too. So I'm gonna have I think I'm gonna put a 100-footer over here, 100-footer over here. So that way I can, weld from a distance and keep a few things going. So just wanted to show you, man, what I built. And I actually, like I say, I built it to help with my need. And come to find out that I'm helping others also with their needs. And where you can kill two birds with one stone. And you can still utilize your truck bed. And someone asked one time about why did I have my toolbox at the back. Well, as you see, I got plenty of room on both sides, so I run my leads down the sides of this toolbox. That way I can have the heaviest part of my welding skid actually back here towards the frame, and it just did better with the ride and when it was sitting up here. So it did a lot better than having just sitting completely at the rear and having all the pressure right on the rear end of it. So that's why I set it up like this. So, and like I say, this is a work truck, so I wanted to be able to kill two birds with one stone, but it works for me, so I'm going with that. But about to check out, man. Y'all enjoy y'all day. Like I said, I got a few things I'm trying to get in line. I got to move. I got to make here soon, so about to work on that. Y'all be blessed. Hold on.